Hi everyone, let's continue. So after that cheese, pineapple naman po. And make sure lalagay po lahat ng pineapple para masarap. The more pineapple, the yummier. Ayan, next, yung favorite ko pong food, yung ham. Ayan, kailangan po perfect. Ang saya-saya, guys. Excited na po ako matikman.
Meron pa ako, princess.
Okay, kids, dyan na ba yung lahat? Okay, for our lesson.
And then let's add more cheese. Nakukutom na po ako, guys. Ayan, favorite pa naman po namin ang pizza.
Look at the camera and smile.
Look, this is the final product. Looks yummy. And then i-oven na po natin yan, guys. I can't wait.